Keep your blue hounds from my door. I think that they can tell that I've been hiding foxes on the floor where they're tired and need my help. Red roses in my garden grow, clovers daffodils. The thistle thrives beyond the wall. Don't you dare put your torch to it. Where the rising tide sank all ships but one. If I'm alive when morning comes, I had to float to survive. Float to survive. Break the ground below my feet, blow smoke into the sky. Cup your hands around your ears and wonder why you can't hear the cries. Bless your father, ask a friend, ask them do they know why is that so few have so much while we ain't got nothing to show? Where the rising tide sank all ships but one. If I'm alive when morning comes, I have to float to survive. Float to survive. So hand me a candle and my coat. These winters are getting mighty cold. Rain the handcuffs and prison cells. It feels like a crime to be growing old. Where the rising tide sank all ships but one. If I'm alive when morning comes, when it comes, I had to float to survive. Float to survive. So keep your blue hounds from my door. Keep your blue hounds from my door. Keep your blue hounds from my door. I think that they can tell